Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. Today I have a Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is an online styling service. They've been around for quite a few years and they're having some problems. In case you haven't read the news, they're going to be closing their Dallas warehouse, which is where my Stitch Fix comes from. And I find that warehouse tends to have the more unique and trendier items and not so much of their older stock. And I'm really hoping when they close that warehouse, they're going to continue to, buy new stock and not have the same old tops over and over and over again. They recently also got a new CEO. The CEO is from Macy's, and when they announced that, their stock tanked. They're also, in addition, closing the warehouse closest to me in Pennsylvania. So they're doing some serious downsizing. They're having some serious problems. They're basically bleeding to death. So I hope they can turn it around. But right now, I'm not so sure. You pay them a $20 styling fee. You keep what you want, send back what you don't. If you keep anything, that $20 gets applied to your fix. If you don't keep anything, you lose that $20. I was offered the Style Pass years ago. I pay a single $49 a year. I just got notice it's going to renew, but I don't think it's included in this particular fix. I think it's going to be like the next one. So you pay $49 a year. They charge your card, and you can apply that $49 to whatever you want. It's like a credit on your account. So you can buy something from your Stitch Fix box. You can buy something from Freestyle. So I think it's like a great, deal. So I would highly recommend that. Again, shipping is free both ways, whether you're paying that $20 styling fee or that Style Pass. I'm not so sure I'd be sticking with Stitch Fix if I did not have that Style Pass. And because of that Style Pass, this is probably one of my favorite services. Front Door Fashion, the first favorite service, then this one. Then probably next would be Trendsend, and then probably Wantable last, because Wantable is just, maybe even Trendsend. Both of them, they don't always have my sizes, and I don't like paying that $20 styling fee for get stuff that I just don't want. All right, on with this fix. This is a very promising fix. So I picked 4 out of the 5 items. And all the items that, if it was an algorithm, if they chose them for me, the algorithm took everything off my saved list. So that's, if you're not putting things to your saved items list, do it, because I think they're starting to get smarter and picking things off of that. So let's go through here what's in my pile. First up, and it was something I actually requested in my note as well, is I'm looking for a clean pair of straight leg and preferably crop denim. And they came through with these. These are cut from the cloth, the Lauren Eco High, or whatever, high rise straight leg jeans, okay? I like cut from the cloth. Cut from the cloth is one of the name brands that I like. And I like these because they're not distressed. And it's very important for me to not have distress because I need something to wear to the office. I don't go in very often, maybe a few times a year, but especially during the winter, I really don't want to bring down my trousers. And I don't want to wear dresses. I want to wear jeans because we're allowed to. So, but I couldn't wear like a pair of distressed jeans, but I could definitely wear something like these. Now these have some unusual back pockets. Look, there's like no stitching on the pockets, just on the outside of the pockets. There's no detail here along the top, which I don't mind. Other than that, it's 5-pocket styling. There is no distressed hem, and they're a crop style, so I think they look kind of cute with the pair of heels that I can show off. So I'll try these on. These are a possibility. Okay, and these are $89. Let's see what the fabric is made out of. I don't like ones that are too much polyester. 91% cotton, 7% polyester, 2% elastane. I would have preferred it to be closer to 98% cotton, but we'll give these a try. At least they're not too much polyester. Okay, the next item, which was on my list, and they were calling this red. I wouldn't call this red. I would call this almost like a terracotta. Maybe not quite a terracotta, but it's very muted. And I know I'm not going to keep these because there's a very similar pair at White House Black Market that I'm coveting, and it would match the tops that I just got. So there's really no need for me to buy these. These are called by Cosmic Blue Love, the Mariah straight leg pant in red, size 0. They have slash pockets here in front. All right. And saying size 0 on there, 25 waist on here, patch pockets here in the back. They do have a roll cuff, which can be unrolled, no problem. So that is good because I don't think I would wear them rolled to work if I were to wear them to work. And these are cute, but they're not red. And like I said, I had my eye on a pair from White House Black Market. Let's see if we can find the material on these. 53% cotton, 45% viscose, 2% spandex, and again, Cosmic Blue Love, $88. So these are just typical retail prices. I know some people are like, oh my gosh, $88, $90 for pants, but that's typical retail. Okay, up next, probably the thing I'm most excited about trying are these Sanctuary Vacation Crop Pants in light blue, $119. So these are a pant that have the utility pocket in front. They're a size 25, but boy, I think Sanctuary is changing their sizes. These look small again to me. Usually I think Sanctuary runs big, but I think they started making their sizes a little bit smaller. They're 61% cotton, 24% polyester, 3% rayon, and 2% spandex. Turn inside out, machine wash cold, light colors, tumble dry low. I would just hang dry. Yeah, they're supposedly a crop style. I'm only 5'2". They're probably not going to be crop on me. Straight leg. And I will try them on and see how they are. There's a little label here. It says Smart Creation, made sustainably. So if you're into sustainable materials, that's pretty important. Alrighty. Next up, this is something I did not pick. It was on my inspiration board and my stylist noted that I did pick it. It is a size 2 white dress. It is the Violets and Roses Ariana tie front collar dress in white. Only $58, which isn't bad, but I can see that it is pretty see-through. I'll have to see how it looks like with a nude bra underneath. Yeah, it has I like it. It's like almost like a shirt dress, but I'm not good in shirt dresses because I need a waist, and this has a waist. It has an elastic waist with a tie belt, so that's good. It has a collar, it's sleeveless, and let's see what else I can tell you about. Violets, it has the Violets and Roses label on it. It's not a name brand I'm too familiar with. I mean, I know Stitch Fix carries it. Oh, it feels like it has a polyester lining. Let's see what we can say here. The outside is 60% cotton, 30% polyester, 5% spandex, and that's all it says, but doesn't say anything about the lining, but the lining feels to me 100% polyester. We'll give it a shot. I really don't need any dresses, but this is cute. I'll have to try it on and see how it looks. Oh, and there's a little ruffle here down at the bottom. It looks like it would be cute. All right, last up, something I requested. So I'm not much of a sneaker wearer, but during the summertime, I tend to wear more. And I just came back from vacation and wore my 2 cute little sneakers on vacation. And I didn't trash them, but they got some wear out of them. So I said, you know what? Send along another pair of sneakers. Let me try them on. These came up, so I said, sure, send them along. But these are pretty expensive. These are by Cole Haan, the Grand Pro leather. So they are leather sneaker in white, size 7, $150. Ugh. So because I have the 2 others, I'm going to already say that these are probably a no. I'll wait until those are a little bit more beat up before spending $150. But I have to say, these are super duper lightweight. They do have like a gripping here on the bottom that seems really good. And they're almost like a wedge style, which I'm not opposed to, but I can see maybe in a year that being a little bit dated. You know, right now I like it, but I don't know if I would like it in a year from now, to be honest with you. And these I would be like kind of saving until I trash the other ones anyway. All right, so give me a minute and I'll do a try on. First up, I have the dress on. I do like this dress. There are no pockets in this dress. I think my stylist said there were pockets, or maybe I'm wrong. I'm thinking maybe another stylist. There are no pockets in this dress. Like I said, it's like half button, so it's buttoned from the waist up. It does have a regular collar. It is sleeveless, and the sleeve openings are good. It fits great in the bust, and this is a regular size 2, and typically I can go from 2 or 2 to PT in dresses. This one, I'm almost thinking I should have gone down to a 2 petite. I think from here up, it fits really nicely on me. From here, I feel that there's a little bit extra material here in the width, and it kind of makes me look hippier than I am. Maybe I'm just, you know, exaggerating it, but I just kind of feel it's a little bit too much volume here and kind of flares out a little too much in my hips. Another thing I don't like about this, and you probably are picking up on it, it is very sheer. So there is that underlining, but you can see because it has like this extra flounce or wrap here, you can see the like the white here and like the nudeness here. And this kind of, I don't know, something about it doesn't like me, but it is a cute dress. I mean, it's just, and it's only $58. So I highly recommend this, especially if you have like a graduation or something like you need to wear white too, and it's really hot outside and everything. This is a great dress for something like that. It's just something I just don't need, and because I don't love it, I'm just not gonna buy it. The shoes are comfortable, they're fine. I would say they're more of a fashion sneaker. They're super lightweight. I would have to say my Dolce Vita fashion sneakers that I got are actually more comfortable than these. Those cradle the inside of the foot and have some better cushioning than these, to be honest with you. So because I don't absolutely need these now and they're $150, they're going back. I like them, again, just not a love. And at this point, I have to just keep things that make my heart go, oh, I have to have it in my closet, all right? So yeah, this is going back, but I do like the dress. This is definitely my style. Obviously, I had it on my board, my inspiration board, and my stylist noticed it and picked it up. But the sheerness that you can see right here, and then in comparison where there's a double layer, that kind of irks me. I think they could have done a better job with the lining on the inside. And this is the back of it. And I just kind of also feel, like I said, a little bit too much fabric here in the hips for me. A little bit less fabric probably would have been a little bit better for my body shape. But again, I can go between a 2 and a 2 petite. It just really depends. And I would say from here to here, I would say this is true to size. All right, and honestly, the hips probably area is also probably true to size for a 2 as well. It's just that I'm borderline getting petite. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on another item. Okay, first up I have the red pants on, and I kept the sneakers on and made this outfit a little more casual. If I didn't already have my eye on the White House Black Market pants, I would be getting these pants. I love these pants. These pants fit great, but I really want the White House Black Market ones, and I want them to work because I want them to be monochromatic. I already checked the tops that I purchased from White House Black Market are just a shade or 2 off. They do not go with these pants, but they're such a similar color. I can't justify buying these as well. So these are a size 25 or 0, and I'd say they fit me perfect. If I went up, they would be too big. If I went down, obviously, usually you can't go too much down from a 0. But if it went down, they would definitely be too tight. And I wouldn't size up in these because they'll stretch out. Like, they're just like the perfect fit on me. They are a high rise. My belly button is literally right where the button is. The pockets aren't pulling. They have the patch pockets in the back. I have them rolled up. I'll unroll one so you can see what it looks like. It's a full straight leg on me when it's unrolled. So, I mean, it's perfect. You can get dual use out of this. I could dress this up with a pair of sandals and maybe like a little jacket with this, and it would look like a cute little outfit that I can wear to work. I really like these pants, but again, I can't justify this and the pair that I have eyeing on White House Black Market. So these were a good choice. Like I said, they picked them off my saved items list, and I chose it in my fix. But again, that was before I saw the White House Black Market ones that I really want. All right, give me a minute. I'll try on some of the other pants. Okay, up next are the Sanctuary pants, and I have to say I paired it with this cute little eyelet top I got from Amazon. It's by Sugar Lips. Got it last year, I think, but I did not put on my strapless bra with it, so excuse me if you see my bra. The pants, they are a crop length even on me, so just letting you guys know that they're a little bit looser in the leg than the other Cosmic Blue Love, which actually I kind of like. They have the pork chop pockets here in front. In this pale blue, I put on a pair of pale blue sandals with it that I think go pretty well. You guys let me know. They fit well. Sanctuary fits me well. They are a little bit more snug, I think, in this area than the Cosmic Blue Love, but I don't think they're too tight. I'm gonna look back at the footage and see how they are. The pockets are not pulling, and as usual, there's usually a lot of extra fabric right here. I have no bottom butt. I got a top butt, but no bottom butt. Yeah, these are a possibility. I'm going to look back at the footage. You guys let me know. What are your feelings about these pants? Are they cute or are they looking a little frumpy? Let me know. I thought in the mirror they look cute, but I'm not so sure. Let me, in your comments below, let me know what you think of them. Should I keep them or not? I don't have any light blue pants. Of course, I have light denim pants, but nothing in light blue. And they're comfortable, very comfortable and stretchy. All right, give me a minute and I just have the jeans left. These jeans were so close, but just not exactly what I'm looking for. So I am looking for a pair of like ankle length pants, which would be crop in normal sizes. But this one, it's crop, but it's a little bit above my ankle. And I just feel a little too short, especially to wear to the office. They're almost like hitting the capri mark. So these are cut from the cloth, and I generally like cut from the cloth. I think they fit great. I was hoping for something maybe 2 inches that just hit the top of my ankle bone. The whole point was to be able to wear pants that show off my shoes, but I mean, these are like too short. And this is how I would wear them if they were 2 inches longer. All right, so I mean, again, I'm looking for a pair of straight leg jeans that are suitable for the office, that would show off a cute little pair of shoes like this. And I think when you start getting this short, it's almost not suitable for the office. Well, that is my fix. So the only thing I'm actually considering are those light blue pants. I think everything was a great fix, a really great fix. Liked everything, definitely my style. I'm just got to be only purchasing things I absolutely love, especially at these prices. And right now, I'm absolutely coveting those White House Black Market pants. I plan on going back there this coming weekend, over the holiday weekend, and seeing if I can get those. I am going to be returning my Loft purchases because I like the things I got from Loft, but they're not in love with them, and I really want those pants. All right, well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I'm free. Click the notification bell, get notified of future videos from me, and give me that thumbs up. Take care, and until next time.